Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's look is a yarn inspired lip art. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. To start off, I'm going to apply some Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer just to keep my lips nice and hydrated, as I'm going to be gluing a lot of things to them. I'm now going to take a nude pink liquid lipstick and apply it as my base colour. Next, I'm using the House of Lashes lash glue, and I'm just going to apply it where I'd want to adhere that yarn to my lips. I'm going to repeat that same process with the lash glue and then applying the bits of yarn to my lips. I'm going to do the same thing that I did to my top lip, to my bottom lip now, and I'm just going to follow that same line pattern with the colours that I did on my top lip to my bottom. I'm using a pair of small scissors and I'm just cutting the ends off the yarn just so it shapes better to my lips. There you have it guys, the completed look inspired by this little yarn basket from Michaels. If you keep watching the video, you'll see me take apart this lip art as well. Comment below, let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know if you like this video, and I'll be back soon. Bye!